everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can create your wish list on your Amazon. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that you will do is go to your Amazon app and make sure that you have logged into your Amazon, and then you will finally see this human icon beside this home icon below. Tap on that and finally this particular interface will pop up. Then you will see this option called your list. Simply tap on that option, and yeah, then you can see this option called wish list. It's by default only, and so we'll simply tap on that, and as you can see, this is the already created wish list. So you can see that to create a new one, then you will simply tap on this plus create a list option above. Tap on it, and here you can type in the name. If you want it to be wish list again, then you can just type in that, yes, and then you will tap on this create list option. Tap on it, and this particular page will open up, and here you can tap on this invite option where you can invite multiple people, that your friends and family who also have an Amazon account, and you can create a joint wishlist option. If you are having this wishlist option for a home grocery thing, then you can have your family member and you can see the list, and you can remove some of the completed ones, and if you don't want to, then you can just leave it. Yeah, so this is how you can create your wish list on your Amazon. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.